Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 18 of our series where we are building movie rating application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Dapper Micro RM, and ChatGPT as our coding assistant. In this video, we are going to work on edit content, update poster. So let me show you what we are going to achieve in this video. If I go to any content edit, right, we have an image over here, right? So we have image control and change image. This functionality will be only replacing the image of the movie, not anything else. So let's dive into it. So let me bring the prompt which I have prepared for this. Now here I am telling ChatGPT that let's work on updating the poster image of the content. Here we are just changing the poster. I have typo. Okay, image. Poster image. We will have separate action to update the content columns, other content columns, right? Delete the existing image as well. This is what we have in Razor page so far. That I'm going to copy paste, Razor page code where we have already some, controls and basically this image and browse control and button, right? So ChatGPT knows that what we already have because many times ChatGPT used to forget. Right, so this is what I am going to paste. So let me go to chat gpt. Let me put down the text first, and let me put down the that is not required. Let's say, okay, let me take this up to this, up to the entire card, and let's push this and see. So let's just have a quick take a look at what chat gpt has generated. So it gave us first the store procedure, which looks good. Then the update vm poster for these parameters: content id, poster id. Okay, ideally we should pass logged in user also, but let's keep this as of now. Existing poster image. Okay, what are we doing with existing poster image over here? Nothing. Okay, we'll go over here. Existing poster id. Okay, existing poster id, what it is doing now? Here it is just saving it. Okay, and in the repository method, okay, it says only poster. Okay, no, this is the controller method where it is deleting first and then reinserting. Okay, but what, let me see what it is doing for the existing file. Okay, here it is model.existing file. If it is present, then it is deleting. Yeah, that's correct. That is required. Okay, and over here I think it is the same as what we have given. So this looks good. So let's go ahead and implement this. So first thing is to, you know work on the store procedure. So let me bring SSMS on the screen. Okay, let me already open queries file that we are. So I used to have a practice of, whenever I work on any project, I used to have practice of creating 3 to 4 standard SQL files. For example, queries, tables, inserts, right, for that particular project. So in the queries, I will have, various queries that are either required in project, or maybe I have done some analysis. Those queries I keep in queries folder. In tables, I usually store create table script, and in insert, whatever table data we put down, that insert statements I keep in the inserts.sql. Right? So so this way it is, well organized. Right? So here we will see most of the time all table select statements. Right? Now let me go to control and let me go to chat gpt. Let's copy these and let's paste this. Right, okay, let me say F5. Okay, great, it worked. And let me create this content view in the background. So I just created this VM, update poster VM, with these properties, right? So let's move to the next step. Next, it is saying that add this into the interface. So let me copy these only, and we will go to I content repository interface, which is over here, and I'll just say copy paste. Let me also open content repository because we will be copy pasting the next. We'll just take the function, not the entire code, because we have a lot of other functions already in. So I'll just say copy paste, and then instead of db we will have instead of db we should have either con, or let's take these only this way, and this should be con dot. Okay, wait, let me save this. Let's move to the next step. Now register in repository into the program.cs, which we already have, this one, right, which we already have. Now the post method. Okay, so let me copy entire method, and let's go to the our controller, content controller over here. Let's go at the end and let's just copy paste it. Okay, so this looks good, no changes seems to be there. Everything looks good. Okay, okay, let's move to next. Now the razor view, let's analyze our razor view quickly. So what do we have? Strong body. Okay, image content. Okay, this is as it is. Then anti-forgery token. Okay, input we have. Okay, so we have an existing poster also. Let's take that one more, because will be deleting the existing file. Poster file except image, which is good. This is good too. Okay, so we are done with the code. Let me save all and let's run, and let's have the fingers crossed. So I have logged in using helpless guy, and let's try to edit this image. Let me also put down debugger so we can catch error in one go only. Okay, let me go here and uh, put it over here. Okay, let's go to the application now. Okay, so let me take image, from where should I take? Okay, let me take one of the cricketers image only. Let me take Virat Kohli's. Let's say change image. It's land over here. Yeah, let's quickly debug. First thing first, let's analyze the input. So we have content ID 8, give edit poster image. Okay, poster file. Why do we hit poster file as null? Hmm. Okay, let's see that, because there might be name mismatch in the VM. What do we have? We have poster file. Okay, and what do we have on the here? We must have only poster. Okay, so this is good. This is good. So we'll have to make this also as poster only. So let me do that quickly and run again. So I'm on my content page. Let's edit. Let's select new image. Let's take any random. Let's take Kef. Let's say change image. Okay, let's analyze the input. So still we have null. Okay, now this is quite surprising. Let me check again. Let's see what's wrong over here. So we have this as poster. Great. We have this is okay. This is okay. Okay, I think we missed to give it a name. Let's see on ChatGPT what is. We should have given file name as poster file. Okay, so we'll have to give it actually. We haven't given name over here. So let's give it a name as poster. Let me save this. Let me stop this actually and rerun again. So let's go to edit. Let's go to change file. Okay, let me take any image. Let me say change image, and let's say what do we have this time. So we have the file, right? Okay, great. So it was just the name was missing from the control input control, right? So it is deleting existing file also. Great. Okay, everything seems to be going nice. Okay, good. This is also good. Let's say F5. This time it did not give the message because we have again see this should be either success or error, not message, right? But the image got changed. If I go back to list and see it, the image is changed, right? So change image functionality is working fine. But let's try to complete this as well. Let me make this success and let me make this error and save this. Let's try to edit the image again. Let's so we should see the message over here. That's what we want to see. Let me take it and let me make it to Virat Kohli. Change image. Okay, so it got changed, right? Let's go back to the list and if we see the Virat Kohli's image, right? So this is good. So edit image is working fine. So that's it in this video and see you in the next video. In next video, we will work on updating the rest of the content details, right? Like name, short description, type, industry type, genre ID, all those things. We'll be changing in next video. So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.